My gosh, what's going on? Ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Da-da-da-da-ba-ba. What's going on? Okay, my microphone is working. Okay. So, let's take a looky-doo at the weather. Hold on, guys. I still have to set up my live stream. It will take 1 second. Let me just. Okay, I don't want to show my YouTube studio by accident, so let me just get all my websites pulled up that I will need. I'll put little weather, we'll do College DuPage, we'll do the National Hurricane Center. Well no, that's mesoscale analysis. Oh. I knew it! I knew it was going to die out before the forecast said it was going to. And I think that should be it. How about NATOcast, you know? I haven't used NATOcast in a while. Do national forecast maps. Because, you know, is that a dry line? I think there's a dry line going on right there. Okay. So, do OBS. Nope, not what I want to do. Not what I want to do. Hey, there we go. Now let me just zoink. Okay, guys, it might be a little hard for me to look at chat, and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. And today I am fired up with a fresh cup of joe. So let's take a look at all the stuff that's going on. So, we'll start with weather-wise. First of all, we've got a marginal risk with a 2%. Ooh, wait, they upgraded it. So, hold on. Okay, these storms could actually go tornadic today because they issued a new 2% tornado risk. And there's this one down near like Albuquerque, Bloomfield. So as the stream goes on, we're gonna be kind of watching those because I bet those will look interesting. Can I have Brandon Kopic on the thing? I think I can, right? I don't know. Can I? Or would that be like copyright stuff? Um, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Brandon Kopic. Good grief, that is loud. Okay. Gonna put that there. Can I like make it bigger? Oh wait, I can't. I had to bottom side. There we go. Now we got Storm Chaser Brandon Kopic. No, I'm not working with him. Please don't copyright me if you're saying this. Sorry, I don't know really if I could even do this in the first place. So, yeah, I was been watching these storms because they could go tornadic today. I do think this one will be the most likely one for tornadoes because I think it's closer to the low pressure system. So let's look at the 500 millibar wind. Yeah, so ooh, that is screaming. Look at that. I think we can run this. I don't know. Puerto Rico. Alright, so that's check for size of rotation, if that's even possible yet. You know, hold on, how about this? Let's go to pivotal weather. And okay, ARRR. And then we'll go to zoom in here, regional. Okay, so that's where our tornado risk is for today. You can see, yeah, there's the low pressure system. And this is where the tornado risk is at. And since there's heightened vorticity likely there, I think, and that should mean that the tornado risk is just ever so slightly elevated. Your weather, 3 Cape. Yeah, wow. We need to watch for this area here. Okay, so there's not a lot of 3 Cape. Not a lot. Oh wait, hold on. Well, that's like right around. That was an hour ago. Alright, so yeah. There's not great 3 Cape up there. Reflectivity, updraft velocity. Let's see if maybe a new run has changed what we're looking at here. Oh, that's that storm we're watching right now. Forecasted to do really much. I'm just excited for Saturday. Saturday is supposed to be like the big day out of all these. Let's take a look at that actually. NAM should be able to actually reach that point now. Yeah! Your weather, supercell composite. Ooh, wait. 9? That's interesting. So, seems like west of Memphis. Seems like we get some terrain. There's like supercell composite 6 right there. You know, this is interesting. This is very, very interesting because models haven't shown this kind of stuff before. Hold on, what's SPP gonna be like? What's SPT? The petiti. Like 1.1, not great. But I mean, still risk as Tor. Not great photograph. It'll be better. No. One storm motion. I mean, like that, but like the front though. Uh, Photographs. That is interesting. Pick up on those storms in uh Colorado. Colorado. This one's kind of starting to get like that bean shape, kinda. I mean, it's got that triangular shape kind of thing. Like, oh. So just a little bit of some storm chasing 101, I guess. No, on. Great, now I'm gonna get copyrighted because that's the name of a thing from Storm Chaser Coaching. Storm spotting, I guess. I don't know. If a super, or if a storm kind of formed with, like, either kind of like this kind of structure. Definitely not that long. Or like this kind of structure. It's likely going to turn into a supercell because you can see there's that bean shape. That could turn into a hook echo. That could turn into a tornado. So let's just take a look here. So, let's take a look at the Storm Operations Center. Ooh, mesoscale discussion. They came out with one. Thunderstorms developing through late afternoon may pose isolated risk of large hail and severe winds. Yeah, just don't even mention the tornado risk. Why not? Even though it's already there. And let's take a look at tomorrow. There is like a tiny little marginal risk. Which it's funny how the main threat is supposed to be hail because it's usually wind. That's kind of funny. Really? There's only like two. All right, and then there seems to be like a Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, little slice of Texas kind of day, in 2 days. So, yeah, pretty much got that going. Don't really know how it's gonna play out. I think they could possibly upgrade to a slight, maybe in like this area right here, because they do that sometimes. And day 4 outlook, we got that slight risk. It's still just completely eating up Arkansas. So every town in Arkansas, you're in the slight risk. Which is weird saying. Let's take a look at like right here with the where we saw that tour. Yeah, dude, it's still showing the same thing. You know what? I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna send it to my friend real quick. Alright, nice. Now let's go back to looking at weather models. So we have not looked at um the College of DuPage yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. There's still that high pressure system right there. Kinda, yeah. Kinda like situated right there. That goes right. So let's see like right here. What's that gonna be like? Is the College of DuPage models also yeah, dude, what? Oh, 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 dude, dude, what the absolute heck? What the absolute heck? Look at that photograph. Holy moly, I am saving this. Oh, oh. Hold on, guys. I gotta send some real quick. Holy cow. Guys, look at. Oh, oh, ah. The sounding goes insane. The sounding goes insane. Look at that. Look at the photograph. Got that clockwise curvature in the lower three levels of the atmosphere, and then you've got that elongated photograph. Holy moly, holy smokes. 70 knots. Holy smokes! What? What the heck? Kidding me right now. NATO cast is unreliable. I'm gonna close the tab because it's unreliable. Okay, okay, you know what? Everything looks better with the sounding. Except the cape. Ooh. Except the cape. That is kind of trash. Let's just take a look at the supercell composite. Oh my god. Kidding me right now. Up. Dang. Dang. So that's kind of insane. You know, I don't even like, I don't know. Oh my gosh. You kidding me? Okay, it's not like super overpowered like it's gonna be like a tornado outbreak, but still, it looks better for tornadoes than it originally did. What's this sounding gonna show? Imagine it shows PDS Tour. I'd freak out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Do I need to target? Oh my gosh. Bro, do I need to target Central Arkansas on Saturday? Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. No, stop. R. Yeah, blink. Okay, looks like the models are the uptrending when it comes to a tornado threat. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Dew point and temperature are so close to each other, it looks like the temperature is gonna be 3 degrees. That's crazy. Potential hazard type tornado. Holy moly chicken macaroni. This is insane. Okay, guys. Models yesterday did not look like this. They like only one sounding I looked at yesterday. Out of my whole live stream yesterday, only one actually said Tor. So that's insane. That's insane. All right, so we got Corey Gherkin going south, and Brandon Kopic just being on some random road. You know, that's how storm chasing goes. They're on some random road chasing some storms. Alright, let's see here. So, man, all these. Is there like a strong cap? Is it like. These models, they're pretty much agreeing on the exact same thing. Like Supercell composite and all that, dude. They're agreeing. Like when you see models agreeing on something, then that what was that? Something just fall? Then that pretty much is saying like there's an increased likelihood like of this actually happening. I think that's hold on guys, I gotta look something up real quick. What shows okay. Hmm? That doesn't really make sense. Okay, whatever. Alright, back to what I was doing. So that's very interesting, you know? Models are just like, now that I think about it, 500 millibars, let's take a look at that. Oh. Oh. Okay, so, like, all of a sudden, Central Arkansas just seems to be, like, the target. I don't know why. Oh! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that photograph. Look at that photograph. What the frick? What the frick? Dude, like, what? What? Oh, yes. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at some other models and see if they're showing the same thing. Oh no, incomplete data set, even though it's like being super freaking useful. Oh yeah, right, I can't have soundings for this model on here. Let's take a look at the I kind of forgot what it's called. This one right here. Are you kidding me, bro? Yep, see, another one that says Tor. Or that one says marginal Tor, but I mean... You know, they're still agreeing on... Okay, so... This is showing lower cape and just overall, like, lower... Like, lower values for pretty much everything. This is at 1 p.m. on the 18th. Huh. Well, how about right here? See? Another one. There's another one showing Tor as possible hazard type. Okay, I think. Oh, yeah, look at Brandon Kopic. Oh, yeah, he's got a... Oh, yeah, that's a great storm base right there. That is a great storm base. Holy moly. Wow. That actually looks really cool. That looks really cool. This is awesome. It's like watching a storm chasing movie happen in real time. Nice. That's freaking awesome. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna pull this out as its own window. And I'm going to do this. Weather-wise. Oh, hold on. There we go. Now we have weather-wise. Oh, hold up. I need to make it just a tad bigger. Okay, that's good. Actually, no, it's not. Let's put Brandon Kopic for here. And I think that should be good, right? What did I just move? Okay, there we go. So now I can just crop that. Shrink it down like this way. Actually, that might be a little too small for you guys. You know what? That should be good. That should be good. Look at that storm structure from Brandon Kopic's stream. That's insane. That's genuinely insane. Alright, so this is the risk for Saturday. The Storm Prediction Center has kept the slight risk. I'm relatively sure it's going to get upgraded to an enhanced risk. You know what? I'm going to close out National Hurricane Center since there's nothing to talk about. Let's see here. Okay, so let's take a look at some others. Regional. Convection allowing? Are there any that, like, go far into the future? Oh yeah, there's this one. There's this one that goes kind of far into the future. Hello? Oh, here we go. Hello? Dude! What's going on? Okay, so there's an increase in shear. Marginal Tor. Okay. Okay, I nearly just closed out that tab. That would not have been good. Okay, bro. Wait, what's going on? It only shows when I'm actively on the tab. Oh, come on. Well, that's no fun. You know what? Might as well just drag it back into the roster. Window capture 2. No, this right here. And you know what? We're just gonna delete that. There we go. Much better. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, we got some storms initiating. They're not too strong, though. But you can see. Oh, that one's got a pretty cool looking base. We'll check back in on that later. Let's look at this. Let's take a look at maybe this will give us an idea of storm mode. Whoa! Wait. Yo, wait, this is actually showing like a more discrete storm mode. Wait. You mean none? What the frick? Confusing me. Hmm? Hmm? That doesn't make any sense. I'm just not even gonna pay attention to it. So around, it seems like 12 p.m., 1 p.m. on Saturday, storms are gonna initiate. And this model showing that some of them could actually be supercells. Whoa, what's this? Little something firing up in Texas. No, everything's bigger in Texas. Like that one tornado, like near Lubbock. Big old wedge. Let's run toward. Alright, I'm just gonna close that out too. I don't need that. Let's, go back to. Alright, hold on, guys. I gotta check something real quick. Nope. Not getting me today, scam caller. Yeah. Okay, bro. Okay, I get it. Na 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 na. Huh. Roar. I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken. Yep. I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken. Bark, bark. You know you're going insane when you go insane. Ah. Oh. Thick dew points. Thickums dew. Dude, what keeps falling? Oh, it's the controller. My controller. Okay. No, stop. Thank you for showing me absolutely nothing. Those are some fat dew points. Soak of it. I said. Good grief. So, 4 p.m. Still gonna have some really fat dew points. You know, because I don't like night chasing, it'd probably be a relatively short one. And that kind of sucks. National. There's Squidward. Take a look here. 500 mils. You know, why is pivotal weather so buggy right now? It's starting to kind of make me hate pivotal weather. What is going on? Dude, what is this? 128 knots. Oh, you know, whole photograph, or not that. Oh, you know, yeah, whole photograph can't even be shown on the screen because of how high the friggin' wind, how fast those freaking winds are at. Honestly, disconnected. Wait, hello? Hold on, is my stream back? Hold on. I'm kind of, my stream back? Disconnect. Wait, hello? Okay, my stream's back. Yay! My stream's back. My stream is back. Okay. I don't know what happened there. That was interesting. Yeah. We got storms firing up. They seem to be a little LP. Any rotation? Ooh, hold on. Away from the radar. Towards the radar. This thing might be trying. Wait on. Oh. Nope, you're not tricking me this time. No, you're not. Thought maybe this thing was trying to start to get a mesocyclone on it. That's not happening. Where's Brandon Kopic? Where's his stream? Where's Corey Gherkin? There he is. Guys, what the heck happened to the stream? It's like, none of the streams are popping up anymore. There's a weather statement. Let's take a look at that. Okay, it's just some fog. Some foggy things. What's this? Why is there a tropical storm warning out here? There's nothing. What? Sargasso Sea. Guys, I thought that was just the Atlantic Ocean. Hello? I think actually has a chance of going. Whoop. Why is there a tropical storm warning there? There's no. That's freaking useless. This is strange. This is strange. So shaping up to be a pretty not great day for severe. Obviously tomorrow Norris. What I'm talking about. Thing is though, I'm so used to like seeing models and stuff for tornado outbreaks. So whenever I see something like remotely close to that, hold on. I like start to be like, oh my gosh, there's a chance for tornadoes. When in reality, there's probably not much of a chance for really anything. Let's take a look at the vorticity for aerodynamics. 500 millibar hot vorticity. I'm good at doing like other like really random voices. Yay! Thank you for the 0 vorticity down here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yay! What's frontogenesis? I've heard of this before, or I have heard of it, but I don't know what it does or what it is. Oh wait, I need to look at to see what kind of front we're gonna get for Saturday. Thank you for not showing me. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's a dry line. Just kidding. I don't think dry lines happen this time of year. But it could be a dry line. But it's probably not a dry line. I'm just monologuing with myself at this point. You know, yeah, how is that not a dry line? And you see there's like that solid line between all the moisture. You know, I mean, it's uptrended a little bit, but other than that, it doesn't seem like there's really much else kind of, you know, to kind of look at. I think I'm still gonna look at the still gonna look at the uh weather-wise. Whoa, are they going? Wait, how? When did that storm appear? Was that the one they've been chasing this whole time? Oh, that thing just fired up. They better be going north, man. That storm looks so much more impressive. And it looks like it might be trying to establish some rotation too, so. Look at all those puffy clouds. When you see those puffy clouds like that on a severe weather risk day, could mean initiation is underway. Got nothing going on down here except for rain showers. The heck is long range reflectivity? Sure don't know what the heck that means. Alright, Echo Tops. Things trying to establish itself. Things currently at about... I mean, no data. Yeah, it looks like they're going north to a new storm. That really does look like a dry line. Why is it starting to paint more of a Missouri freaking risk? I can't chase in Missouri 'cause it is too far. What? I think I'm gonna go ahead and shut the stream off. There's nothing really happening right now. See you later.